What's up, everybody? Today on rentandfallriver.com, we are at 318 Broadway, apartment 2. Okay, this is one of our management units, so you get all the benefits of renting a fortified management unit, and that's great. So this apartment is huge. Okay, what are you getting here? You're getting a ton of square footage for the price. And you're getting an amazing location, which we'll talk about in a minute. So as you can see, we're in this like dining area and everything kind of connects off of here. You got 2 bedrooms, you got the kitchen behind us, space heater right here, another bedroom, bathroom, and the front living room. Let's go check these rooms out and see what it do. So bedroom number 1, big giant closet, digging it. Good sized room. I love the hardwoods everywhere. Nice high ceilings. Again, a lot of space for the price. You know, this is not a brand new flashy apartment downtown, right? This is a nice, big, lots of character, 3-bedroom. Let's check out the rest. Bedroom number 2. Again, good sized bedroom. Hardwood floors. Looks good. Got a closet over here. Check this closet out. Nice little closet, right? Let's check out bedroom number 3. Same thing, bedroom number 3, about the same size as bedroom number 2. This one also's got a closet here. Again, high ceilings, hardwood floors. I mean, this is, you know, it's what it is. Classic Fall River, 3-bedroom, lots of character. Let's keep moving. Now, this is what I'm talking about, right? We call these double parlor, right? 3-bedroom, double parlor apartment. Okay, again, you're getting a lot of square footage here. You're getting a lot of space. Big, beautiful windows. You actually, there's a little bit of a water view there too, a little peekaboo water view. Right? So big, giant living room. You got the other dining room over there. You got 3 good sized bedrooms. Let's see the bathroom. All right, so we're in the bathroom. You got the tub. You got the toilet. You got the sink, little medicine cabinet action here. It's a bathroom, all right? It works, it's effective. There's 2 closets in here, little small ones, you know, so you got room for stuff. It's a bathroom, guys, it works. All right, so kitchen, got stainless steel fridge, stainless steel stove, a little bit of counter space here. You got a window, you know, there's enough room to get things done, okay? This is not a restaurant, this is not a chef's kitchen, okay? But it's a good enough sized kitchen to do what you gotta do. It's got everything you need. And honestly, let's keep it 100, guys. Most of us are doing DoorDash and Uber Eats nowadays. And there are so many great restaurants around this apartment, right? Down at the waterfront where they're building, you got Pier 52, you got Morgan's Cantina, you got Tipsy Seagull, right? The biggest floating bar on the East Coast, right here in Fall River. Right around the corner, you got Columbia Street, right? You got Sagres Restaurant, a lot of good restaurants there, Portuguese restaurants. You got St. Anne's Hospital right around the corner. You got Kennedy Park right across the street. You got parking on this unit, right? You actually got a parking space. You're on Broadway, you're right near everything, right? Bus lines here, you got a great pizza place across the street. You know, you're not far from the train station, the whole new waterfront development. You know, so if I lived here, would I be cooking every day? Hell no. I'd be out hitting these restaurants. All right, guys? So if you like this apartment, rentandfallriver.com. Check it out. We got plenty of showings, and I'll see you at one of them. Thanks.